Hey everybody, and welcome back. Today I have another DIY video for you guys. So I picked up these Dollar Tree spoons. I'll be using these gem stickers from Dollar Tree. So I've already washed my spoons, and what I've done here is just put a plastic bag over the top of my spoon so that I don't have to worry about them getting dirty and having to try to wash them again once I have the gems already on there. So all I'm going to do is just wrap the gems around the handle of the spoons, and that's it. Simple, right? Next, I'll be using this candle holder from the Dollar Tree. I'll also be using some leftover gemstones that I got from Michael's. Alright, so this is what it's looking like so far. I could actually leave it like this, but I think I'm going to add another row. Next, I'll be taking this old picture that I had in my upstairs hallway. I'm not in love with the way this is looking anymore, and I've been wanting to update it. So what I'm going to do is just try to DIY something kind of Gallerie-esque using just Dollar Tree products that I had around the house. First off, I'm going to be starting with this paint that I picked up from Walmart. Next, I'm going to be going in with this Jot paint that I got from the Dollar Tree. It is a little bit thinner than my Walmart paint that I was just using before, but that's perfect for what I'm trying to accomplish here. Now I'm just going to go in with a wet paintbrush because I want it to look a little bit more opaque in this area. Going in with some black glitter that I picked up from the Target dollar spot, and I'll be mixing this in with some Mod Podge. going in with my gold pigment. I didn't have any gold glitter, so I had to substitute here since I didn't feel like running out to the store. And you guys, this doesn't have to be perfect. You could just play with it and just have fun. Guys, that's all I have today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to subscribe as well as hitting the notification button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.